Good morning guys, in front of me is Lumia 630 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. At first you have to find and select settings. Then go a bit lower. And click on date and time. And here you can smoothly select the time zone at first, so just pick the one that you want to apply and then select date. And time manually by yourself. So smoothly by scrolling you can select the time and date that you want to have. So that's it, it has been already changed. And as you can see, this panel also allows you to switch the format of your clock. Just by tapping here, you can activate or deactivate 24-hour format clock. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.